This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark theme on the Facebook Messenger app. I'll be using an Apple iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar for other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now. First thing we need to do is open up the Messenger app. I'll tap on it. Then you need to tap on your profile icon in the upper left-hand corner. Then we'll tap on dark mode. And we'll simply toggle it on. And that is how you enable dark theme on the Facebook Messenger app. Thanks for watching.